The next step we need to work on is the height line for the doors and the windows. Our height line, it will be at 10 feet, so up to the horizon line is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right about there. So I need to pull a ribbon line from the inside, since we're working inside first, the true height is on the inside corner, to the inside, to the inside, to the inside, and run that ribbon line. So I'll start here, and again, being as accurate as possible, and I know to stop at the inside corner. Then I will switch vanishing points. And where am I going? I'm going to this inside corner. I'm starting from here, going to that inside corner right there. Switch vanishing points. And we are walking the block here, no different. To the inside corner. And then back to opposite vanishing point. And that takes me right back to the 10-foot high mark. Now I need to pull the ribbon line to the outside and around. The way that I do that is to extend this first line we drew to the outside corner. Right there. And then I go around, I'll walk the block from there, and I can go back to the back side of that column. And a little bit off here, the back side, and come around to the front corner now, which is this corner here. I'll end right there. The next step then is to align or to continue our inside line so we can get this cut line at the center point. Same thing as the footprint below. So I continue the inside to the outside. Oops, and that's a little bit off. That one's a little bit off. We're off somewhere in there, but it's close enough. Here's the cut line. If I was to slice that column in half. Once we've done the front corner, then we can go back here, fill in this column line if we don't have it already, and draw in that cut line there and finish this cut line here. Now we need to work on the opening areas, which is this area here and this area here. And we can put those dots there. This would be A, B, C, D, E, and F. And over here, the points where the windows are, G and H. So we have to go back and use the station point and the picture plane again. So let's start with E. We'll take it up to the top. F. Once we have it up to the picture plane, then we need to bring them straight down. So this was H. Come here and we bring it straight down, and we plotted the outside point so I know it goes from outside to outside. Once we have the outside lines, now all we have to do is switch vanishing points and pull a ribbon to see the rectangle of the structure. If I start over here at this division, I switch vanishing points. I know I have to go this way, and all I'm doing is going to the inside of the wall structure. And then I'm going vertical down to the inside line, and then I'm going to the vanishing point again, and I'm doing that. So this structural rectangle right there. I have another one here. Start at the top. So there I have my structural door divisions. I need to do this. And what would I call this? This would be the cut line, the turn line at the 10-foot high mark. No different than this up here. And then I also need it here. Moving from outside to inside is really what we're doing. So now our door division is there. Now it's very confusing over here. Where am I going? I am going to where the 10-foot line crosses the vertical right there. And I'm going to this outside line. All the way. Did I do that? Nope, now I went too far. It ends right there. So it ended right there. And that one's already there. Then I need this one right here. So the horizontal coming down, the 10-foot. And I'm going to this outside line right there, and it already crosses with the outside 10-foot right there. So maybe this will help. Here is an overlay on a piece of flimsy showing just the opening area of the door and the window, and then the red line represents where the window would meet. Forgot this line right here. Okay, so it's just a rectangle in that open space. And sometimes, yes, you do need to take a piece of flimsy, figure out the lines, and then understand what it is you're doing. So here is a finished overlay on flimsy showing the volume of the box and what I have designed based on the floor plan. Now, because this is an interior design project, not an architectural project, I need to show the interior. So I'm going to make another choice. This is idea one, and now I realize that what I really need to do is open up this front corner so I can see into the volume and show off what the design is on the interior of the space. So then I would, from this drawing then, in pencil, I would think, okay, where does this glass need to go, and where does this glass need to meet? Somewhere in here like this, let the glass meet, and then I can take away the structure. So the perspective helps me design what needs to be designed. Going from floor plan to perspective is a great way to let it evolve.